Hi friends, so this video shows how to find all nearby Vivo service centers using your Vivo phone. In your Vivo phone, open settings, then find more settings, then tap on more settings, then here you need to find after sales service. Tap on that. So here you can see all your nearby Vivo service centers with address, contact number, website and working hours. You should enable location. So if you let me disable the location, so I'm going to disable the location. So after that, let me go back and tap on after sales service again. You can see this time it's showing only one service center. So you should enable location, then tap on after sales service. Now you can see more nearby service centers. So this way we can find nearby Vivo service centers using your Vivo phone. Okay, please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.